So I have a filled, you know, kit I could do. Idea. That's pocket, right? So it's pretty much I'll be for making stuff out in the field. All I'll pretty much need. Like, let me get both these off because it's gonna be way like both these off of this thing, so it's gonna be way easier to do. All I'll ever need is like the small little multi-tool device, you know, and this SD micro. What's the classic? What I've called? Really? Yeah. I need to make a spear. Bam! I have a little knife to do it. To do. I have the file. I had to remember what it's called, and it would actually do something because it's to refine it, right? Bam! Gonna be a spear for fishing, fun, whatever, or even a tent peg, right? And then say I have a needle, and I'm like, okay, all my hooks are gone, you know, which I do usually carry a what you call it. I need to oil this up. After some oiling this up, but yeah, you know, just do it at the tip, you know, at the tip, like you like put the thing on the tip and then sort, you know, and then just to get to the shape of a hook, right? These will basically be what I'll need for like just field crafting, to be honest. So basically, yeah. And I have used this to actually try to do something. Now, as you see, this has to be a knife because it's hard to get out. You know how I know it's a knife? It's hard to get out. But yeah, this would be, as you see, this does not move. I recommend this because it doesn't actually move. I want to see if I can actually see. Will this actually cut? Let me see my question. Yeah, it'll cut. But I can, I can do like that, right? And I'm like, well, I need to, since I'm making a tent peg, let's just say, which one? This one has to be the saw port. Yes, it is. You have serrations, these I've actually proven can be used for sawing. I proved it with the not this one, but one of these little cheapo cords. So you can do, and it doesn't. Well, it does kind of move if you force it, but you can. Remember what I showed y'all. Because say you have a branch, have it to the ground, like and then you until you get a groove until you like that, and then you can until it cuts. So yeah, the first two items I will always have for like this bushcraft, fieldcraft, whatever. All I'll need is basically just it's a multi tool, a small multi tool, and this, and the SD, pretty much. I hope I'm actually inspiring y'all to do so. Oh, also, I want to share this, but a good bug out bag item that you want a good dark roast coffee. This is the best. It's espresso roast. It's espresso cafe instantaneo or espresso instant coffee. 6 ounces, but my god. Oh, great. Yeah. Wow. This is actually really good too. Because it's actually one of the better like light roasts. So yeah. But yeah, this is pretty much all I'll ever need. Right? Heck. Oh, I have a splinter in my finger. Bam. Little tweezers, right? This is actually, and I agree with, Doug Bushcraft. This is a really good survival knife. It is. Because you can make whatever in the field. I'm going to be carrying just a making kit, like pocket or whatever. You know, heck, say you got to cut some rope because you're like, okay, well, I have to, this is too much rope I'm using. Bam, a little thing of scissors, right? Say you found, you have like a handful of berries, right? Just because, right? Bam, that can be used to, right? I like that. So basically, yeah, by the way, this is the only thing I don't like about this, is it, yeah, it doesn't do that. Yeah, which I don't mind. It doesn't matter to me. What is this? It's probably supposed to be a little all, but you could probably make some stuff in the field. You know, you all I gotta do is find the. What's the one chick who has a central cord? Uh, Renaya Thibodeau? By the way, it took me like 5 months just to pronounce Thibodeau. I mean, I should have been able to, pronounce it because I'm French. But yeah. Hmm. I'm just doing something, actually, on this. Wow. Oh, God. Where's my... I have a flashlight somewhere here. Where's the flashlight? Where's my flashlight at? Oh. Where'd the flashlight go? No, actually, I think the flashlight is innocent. All gonna fall. Whatever, okay. Whatever. Okay. Fine. I don't care. What? That's weird. Here we go. Where did it go? Oh, also I can show you this too. You know the cordage from the red bag that's over there, like the herbal one? I put it in here. So I can have some cordage. I made it better. Yeah. I pretty much have what I need. Right? So yeah. Where did it go? That's weird. That is very weird. Over here somewhere? Is it over here somewhere? It has to be over here somewhere. Is it? Is that? That's weird. But anyway. Okay, so... Let me see if I can actually do this. Quick. Okay, see that? Kind of? Yeah. That shows it's like a little, what should we call it? Then on this side, it has like a serrated blade thing. Yeah. That's pretty cool. I need to find that flashlight too, because that is my EDC flashlight. That is my EDC flashlight, and I cannot afford to lose it. Seriously, that is my EDC flashlight, and I cannot afford to lose it. I also can't afford to lose this too, because it is my package opening thing. Yeah? No. Well, dang. Yeah. Yeah, it's just basically showing that there's a serrated blade on it and a like a screwdriver or whatever. But yeah, this is pretty much what all I would need, really. Just these two. Let me do it like this so I can have... Yeah, dramatic. I'm telling you, I have used the scissors on this the most. And yeah, but that's my idea. It's just to have something like that, you know. But should I fall after we run it all, it all, it all, it all. I might actually use this too. So I can go, okay, well, I need this cut, let's say, for 5 inches. Cut 5 inches. Bam. Gent, okay. Gent, mark it. I will have like a pen or a pencil or a marker with me also. I just got the idea for this because, I don't know, I'm weird like that. So yeah. Oh, I need to put... Wow. Fell because I put this in there. I think this came like a British or a NATO thing I got from Emily Mountain. Came with a little kit. But should I fall? I'm so free from it. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. I have to do this and I have to... Oh my god. Yay! But yeah, it pretty much says only two that I'll need for... I'm gonna challenge myself for this because when I'm able... By the way, I'm having a lot of... The reason I haven't done really any outdoor stuff is because too many appointments this month. I don't like that. I really just don't. Yeah, I am not having this break. I don't know how much it costs, but I'm not having a break. So yeah, anyway, that's my idea and all that. I might actually bring this too because I can use this for whatever. And it's one of these, like, you can break off things, as you can see. So 98 cents, yeah, this is a good little thing for 98 cents, to be honest. I've used it a lot. Anyway, Postbox Low, it's with Wasteland. God bless and peace. And sorry about a couple videos today. Anyway, with God before us, who can be against us? Peace.